If you are holding XRP, I have some incredible breaking news for you. And yes, I know you've already heard some news. You probably figured out why XRP has gone up a lot, but I have some even further breaking news that nobody is talking about that I have to share with you in this video. That's why you need to stick around to the end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up and let's dive straight into it right now. It's going to be crazy. What we can see here, ladies and gentlemen, we obviously have the breaking news that the SEC has dropped the lawsuit against Ripple. And this is something that we got news last week. We talked about it and I told you all that this was going to happen. And guess what? We all believed it. So nothing crazy. It did take a little bit longer than usual. The other cases were dropping like flies. But, excuse me, the SEC case finally has dropped. This is very, very bullish. This is going to open up the door for so many things for Ripple XRP. It's going to be absolutely bananas. If you were in the Patreon, we made a fortune today, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I tell you guys to join the Patreon, because it's for your benefit. Look at this guy. This guy made $275,000. He says, thanks to me, that I've already helped to change his life with my signals. And it goes on and on. Look at this. I put a buy alert for XRP last night at $2.29. XRP right now is nearly $2.60, a massive move. We are making a fortune. So make sure you guys are in the Patreon for that. Most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, is not that. But what is very, very important that nobody is talking about is that the bottom is in. The bottom is in for a while, and Bitcoin right now is breaking out of this previous consolidation. What this means, ladies and gentlemen, is that when Bitcoin breaks out of a consolidation resistance, there is going to be a massive move ahead. And Bitcoin right now is on target to reach $95,000, which from our current position doesn't seem like much to you all, but it's about a 10% pump. When Bitcoin pumps 10%, altcoins pump 20, 30, 50 to even hundreds of percents. Altcoins are going absolutely bananas right now. It's going to be incredible, and I am very, 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 very excited for you all. Even taking a look at Ethereum, Ethereum is also breaking out of this resistance that we talked about yesterday. I bought some Ethereum right here along with the Patreon, so we are sitting very, very comfortably in that position as well. I think Solana is about to make a big move. And if Bitcoin is truly bottom, the things that I mentioned are actually taking place and we don't reject here, altcoins are going to go absolutely bananas. The market is about to change. We've been in a downtrend. We have been correcting for quite some time. The top has been in since the 17th of January. We have been correcting since then, ladies and gentlemen, and it has now been 62 days for XRP specifically of a correction. Corrections last typically about that amount of time before heading up in a bull market. We are in this position. XRP right now is gearing to make a move to $3. I honestly think XRP is going to break this $3 region, and we are probably going to see around $3.50. Honestly, what's probably going to take place is we are going to shoot and teleport up to around $4.20. This is what I honestly, wholeheartedly believe is most likely going to happen if Bitcoin keeps pushing up. If altcoins keep pushing up, it's looking extremely, extremely good. The stock market looks completely bottomed. I'm going to be completely honest with you on that. That is incredible. We also taking a look at gold. Gold is making new all-time highs as we speak. Cryptos follow gold. Gold follows crypto, vice versa. The stock market's bottoming. Everything is looking incredibly bullish. You better get ready. We are about to get our socks blown off by the blessings coming our way. And make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up to manifest that and to stand in agreement with that. It's going to be absolutely crazy. Make sure you are using ALGOSNIPER. This thing gave you a buy alert before this move took place. You guys can try ALGOSNIPER today for just $1 at algosniper.com. Make sure you are also trading over on Blowfin. This platform is the best in the planet. Has the cheapest fees on the internet, ladies and gentlemen, where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. you're going to have the cheapest fees on the internet. But most importantly, you guys can get $10,000 and even $100,000 for free by depositing crypto on here and making a single trade. These are the qualifications. There are also deposit qualifications as well. So you need to follow those. Join the Patreon. Also, if you guys want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency full time, I'm now opening my mentorship application. So you guys can go ahead and apply. That's the top link in my video description. That's going to be it for this video, guys. If you got something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter. Check out the things in my video description to help you make money. I'll see you later.